Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is 𝚐𝚐𝚘𝚗𝚍 and today I wanted to talk about I wanted to show you guys the stuff I ordered from Aliexpress. But the first thing I do want to talk about is I wanted to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel. I have realized that I have 42 subscribers or 41 subscribers the last time I checked. I want to say thank you. I know I have not been posting, but I want to start posting more. I'm doing Aliexpress haul. I ordered about 50 something items from Aliexpress and they're all trickling in. I ordered all of this stuff maybe the end of March / beginning of April time, and it's now kind of the middle of June 15th. And I've been slowly getting stuff for the past 2-3 weeks now, so I figured I really want to start getting to use this stuff. So I figured I'd film these in 2 different parts. I got a good bit of stuff right here, and then the other stuff will just go into part 2, which would have more of the bigger stuff and stuff like that. But I have what I have here, which is quite a bit of stuff. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything that I ordered and how much I paid for everything plus shipping. So the first thing that I ended up buying were these nail glues, and I have my phone over here so that I can tell you guys the price and everything. So I ended up ordering these nail glues, just some nail glue. I end up buying these so I can include them in with nail orders, with personal nail orders. I can put these in there. So I ended up getting 50 of them, a 50 piece. I am gonna go with a different brand, but these were $5.29 for 50. I think these are 2 grams. Yeah, 2 grams of nail glue. So the next thing I got were these 𝚤𝚎𝚗𝚍 dip powders, and this one is a yellow color. Maybe for short nails you can probably dip your finger in, like the length that I have right now. You can definitely get your finger in here, but I wanted to use these for ombres. So I got like a pastel yellow, with this color is called UR14, and then I got a pastel blue in the color UR15. Pastel blue. I also put up the photo of what it looked like on the Aliexpress website, so you guys can actually see like a color of what it's gonna look like, because powder form is definitely more translucent than it would look like, less opaque than what it would look like. And then I also got a purple and UR16. Yeah, it's supposed to be purple. I've been really into purple lately. As you can tell, my nails are purple. I'm normally a pink girl, but this lilac lavender color is really pretty. So these were $1.17 each, but they're small. They're really smaller than I thought they would be, honestly. I got a doming mat for working with resin, because I've been making resin keychains. Okay, so there's a little tear right here. If you guys can see right there's a little tear in there. I guess I don't mind. I don't really know what it would be for anyways. But yeah, I got this resin doming mat. These are some rings I got, so when I take photos of my nails, I have it's something cute. So these rings, I'll show you guys the ring set. So these rings were $2.29. So there's a snake one. Okay, that's better. So this is a snake tattoo. Not tattoo, ring. It looks like that on my hand. This is cute. This pretty one, that's an opal stone, and it has little rhinestones at the top. So this one's a leaf design. Has a little snake on the front of it. Pretty with stone. Compared to the other one with opals and rhinestones. It's just covered in rhinestones, and it goes on. It is an opal one. The next thing, oh, I'm so happy about these. The next thing I picked up were these neon powders. So I have my UV flashlight and they glow. Some of the colors do. The blue doesn't. And this purple does a little bit. But like, if you're going to the club or anywhere that has black lights, your nails are gonna glow. And I got these to do ombres with. So they call it a 12 piece, and it's a 12 piece because they give you 6 little powder things, and they give you, you know, 6 colors. You get 2 different oranges, you get a pink, 2 different pinks, a yellow, green, and a purple and a blue. These were $2.28. These are butterflies, the holographic butterflies, iridescent butterflies, holographic butterflies, pink slash purple, like pink purple butterflies, and you have a blue butterfly, gold butterflies, black butterflies, white butterflies, a bluish green butterfly, then a rose gold butterflies, black butterflies. These are holographic diamond glitters, and then these are circle glitters. So I'm gonna end up cleaning this entire thing up and sealing these better and stuff like that. Next thing I got, this is so pretty, but this is a striping brush. So this is a striping brush, but this is so like the container that this thing comes in is so pretty. This is very sturdy too, like it goes on there. This was $2.74. The next thing I got, which I'm really excited for, even though I didn't really need these, I just wanted to see, I don't know, I just wanted to see what these would be like. I don't know why. So I got these Playboy bunny decals. These were 69 cents. It came in this little Ziploc bag, but these are just Playboy bunny sticker. I think these are stickers. It also has the words Playboy in the middle, and then solid ones, and then white ones. You guys can see like the white ones, the shadow of them though. But I got these because I wanted to try them out, but I don't think this is a water decal. It doesn't say that. I think it's nail sticker. So I also make this Playboy bunny decal, but I just make the bunny, and it's much bigger. I'll leave the link down to my website below if you guys want to check that out, but I wanted to try these out, so I got them. The next thing that I got, I was gonna say, is anything even in here? Oh, are these cute little gold butterflies. These cute little gold butterflies. Great for encapsulation. These were, I'm going through these were $127, supposed to be $100 in here. I mean, I guess so. Well, we'll see. There's different sizes in here, so maybe it is 100. I didn't know that there'd be different sizes in here. These are crystals in different sizes, but they're white crystals. Well, not white, but way prettier. And they're different sizes. These are really pretty. These were $2.48. This should be 1,440 in here. And then they're in the style 2, which I have down here. I will definitely be ordering more of these because the shipping was free and they came fast, and these are so pretty. These are flame stickers. I'm gonna tell you guys the price before I so these were $2.21, but we have a bunch of different holographic and opalescent colors. I think this is a 16 pack. of flame decals. So if you guys want to pick these up, that silver one's really cool. Chrome silver, it's kind of cool. You guys can. Ooh, that's pretty. The oil slick one. We got a gold chrome one. Ooh. So none of it's stuck to each other, but it was stuck to each other. I also got, oh, this pink is pretty. I believe this one came, I hope it's in there. What was I'll say it came missing the other piece, but it's right here. This pink is pretty. It's like my favorite type of pink, like baby pink. So it came in the same type of style as the other brush, but they're from 2 different sellers. Or else they would have came together, because I ordered all this stuff at the same time. So this was $2.44, and this is an ombre brush. So the bristles are very, very sparse at the tip and very dense at the base. I can't wait to, I've done some ombres with using just the brush, the gels together, and just, you know, I did a really good job. I don't know where that tip went. The gel I had, and so it's not the same purple that I have on my nails right now, but I used like a pink as my base and purple and so I just did an ombre. The next thing I got were some files, because I know I'm gonna need them. So I got, I think it's a 10 pack, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, 10 pack, and they're just a 𝚙𝚎𝚑𝚎𝚎, is that what it's like? I think it's 𝚙𝚎𝚎𝚎𝚎𝚎 100 to 180 grit nail files. These were $3.40. The last thing for this haul are some little goodies, some cute goodies. So I got a good thing. I thought this was a 1 pack. It was gonna come with 1, but it's a 5 pack. It's a 5 pack, and these are nail triangle, like rhinestone plates, so you can put like glitters in here and rhinestones if you don't want to pull out the jar or whatever. And this was $1.41. So let me pull out the plastic. I'll just pull out 1. And I was gonna order some pink ones because I like the color pink, and I thought I was only getting 1 of these, and the other one was like a 3-piece, but shoot. This is cool. They're pretty small. Well, technically it's not small, they're pretty big compared to rhinestones, but it's a 5-piece. I might end up doing some type of like resin design in the base, just to like spice them up a little bit. These are definitely plastic, but you get 5 of them, so I think that's cool. And if you're working on like different sets at a time, you can have like what you need for each set in here or whatnot. And then the next thing, which they pack these together, I got 2 like nail stickers that these are. They're gold nail stickers, and I got these if I was like planning on doing like a celestial nail design, which I do plan on doing. I guess I can hold it. I don't know how I'm gonna hold this up. I guess you're not gonna be able to see that. I don't know if you guys can see. It has like all these celestial designs. I believe this one, if you want this one, I'll put the link down in the description box, but on the screen I'll put down what the style is for this pack, for this one. And then this is the second style. This looks like this. These are called laser sequins. Oh, so these nail stickers were $1.15 each, and then this pack is $2.29. But this is the same container as the butterflies one, and I think the store, no, the brand is called Full Beauty, but the store isn't. Oh, well, we got one slipping away. So we have, you guys cannot tell, but I'll just hold it up. You guys can see what's in here. And then this is a freebie, but like, look how thick this is. This is a freebie. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we have two, I like these butterflies, on like a, not floral, I want to call it damask, but okay, so you get 30. You get 30 little decal sheets. Those are really nice. That was nice of them to send me that. So I just want to say thank you guys all for watching this part 1 of the nail haul from Aliexpress. Hope you guys subscribe and like, and then leave a comment down below on anything that you're, I don't know, just comment anything. Oh yeah, comment down below if you want me to use any of these products in a video. Yeah, leave that down below if you want me to use any of these products in a video. Don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for part 2, and then also stay tuned for more videos from me. But I do want to say thank you again for everyone who has subscribed. I'm gonna start posting more often, because it's fun. I like watching these nail hauls, and I really enjoy watching these YouTube videos. Really excited about these. I might have to use these in a video. I'm really excited about these. Yeah, so just let me know what you guys want to see, and thank you guys for watching.